How you doing, Duff here? This daylight savings time really sucks, really cuts into my wheeling time. But what I wanted to do very quickly was demonstrate my new mounting and dismounting technique and contrast it with what I was doing before. See if I can kind of show the difference of what I was doing versus what I am doing now. So let me see if I can show what I used to do for mounting. Myself ready to go, and I would hop. And then to get off, same thing. Just kind of stop, lean to the side, and hop off. Now, hope you can see this in the camera. Let's just move to the edge. Okay, now see if I can do my smoother technique. Now, better, huh? See it from behind. Try that again. Okay, there you go. So now you may ask, what's the difference? And it's basically me implementing something that people tried to explain to me, but I didn't really understand it, I guess. Because we said in order to launch smoothly, you had to have your leg against the bot. Okay, and for me, this was my leg against the bot. It's against the bot. But even though I had my leg against the bot, when I would get on, it felt like the bot was unstable, so I had to quick hop up. And same thing with stopping. I had to quick hop down like that. So what the difference is basically not only having my leg against the bot, but having the knee that's on the bot in. Just moving the knee in a little bit, which kind of locks the leg into the wheel. And doing that is what allows me to take off smoothly. And to stop in a more remote way as well. Okay, so hopefully that makes some sense. I'm going to do some ground level shots just to see if that gives you a better perspective. Okay, so here we go. Leg on the bot. Leg against it. Knee in. Smooth. Same thing when exiting. Got my knee wedged in there. Step off in a graceful manner. Try it again. Knee in, leg tight. Give it a push. Bring the foot up slowly. And once more with a dismount. All right. Make sense? Okay, here's a top-down look at it. You can see how my knee is. Maybe this would be better. So I'm locked in there. That leg feels very locked. And then just push and slowly bring that foot on. It seems like such a difficult thing, but it really isn't. You know, just like most stuff. Once it clicks in your head, you wonder why it was so difficult. So I'm going to try to take advantage of a little bit of daylight I have left, cruise around a little bit, but that is how I learned how to mount and dismount more smoothly, or smoother, or, yeah. How to mount and dismount smoother onto my electric unicycle. Hopefully this helps you do the same thing. I've used this technique on, this is my M Super, which is a big wheel, but I've used the same technique on that little $200 training wheel, and it still worked pretty much the same way. So that's, I think that's a universal truth that you can apply to all electric unicycle riding. So anyways, hope you found this helpful, and until next time, Duffman out.